Well, the headlines show that American inflation was 8.5% in July, down from 9.1% in June and below the 8.7% expected by the economic forecasters. But look, 8.5% was the increase in the Consumer Price Index from July 2021 to July this year. But in the month of July, compared to June, the CPI didn't rise at all. Monthly inflation was zero because energy prices fell 4.6% month on month, while food prices rose 1.1%, cancelling each other out. The only reason they say the annual inflation rate was 8.5% is that there were 11 months before July in which it averaged 0.8% per month. Anyway, the US dollar fell in anticipation of a less worried Federal Reserve raising interest rates less than previously thought, which sent the Australian dollar back above 70 US cents. And the share market in New York jumped more than 2%, which led to a rise of more than 1% in Australia. Miners, banks and retailers all went up, while Telstra fell after reporting a 4.6% fall in net profit for the year, but the first lift in the dividend in 7 years. Commodities jumped as the US dollar fell. Oil, iron ore and zinc 2% or more, nickel around 4%. And finally, Germany has warned that the water level of the Rhine River will fall below the critical depth of 40 centimetres in the next few days because of the terrible drought gripping Europe. At that level, barges will be unable to use the river, bringing trade to a halt, including coal for the power stations that have been restarted to overcome the Russian gas shortage. And that's finance. Thanks for watching. You can check out more finance news by clicking there, and don't forget to click subscribe down there to get all the latest updates from ABC News.